Hey guys, so today we are in my bathroom. I really hope it's not too echoey, but we're going to be talking about detangling. I kind of touched on detangling and how I have been doing it more on like a daily basis to kind of keep really big knots from happening. So I am going to walk you through how I would detangle my hair before I style, or if I'm detangling before I wash, and we'll just talk about some products that I really like. This towel is bothering me. Let's take this hair down. This is a fourth day hair, maybe third. I don't remember when I washed my hair last. Isn't that a great feeling? You can't remember the last time you washed your hair. I mean, really the biggest tip with detangling is you always want to use your hands. The main areas that I get knots are right in like the crown of my head. So I feel some right now, see? And I also get them by the nape of my neck underneath here. So if you are planning on restyling your hair, but you still want to detangle, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna want to kind of just be more aware of areas that have the actual knot. So you're just gonna wanna really gently kind of feel through your hair. So I feel a little knot right here. You can use a detangling spray. I have the Diva Curl No Comb. If you use too much of it, it can get a little bit sticky. So what you wanna do is kind of just like mist over the area really gently and just get enough on there so it just adds like a little bit of slip. Just very gently work the knot all the way down. So it's kind of like untangling a necklace. So if the necklace is held really tight or the hair is held really tight, you're not gonna have a good a chance as kind of like breaking through, we're not breaking our hair. You're not gonna have as good of a chance as kind of like getting your fingers through. Sometimes I'll kind of just like pull my hair very gently apart like this. And really that's all it takes, just working in really small sections. When you try to rake through these big knots, that's really when you're gonna get a lot of breakage. Again, like I said, back here is a big problem area for me, so I'll kind of just like mist just a little bit over the back of my head, and then I'll just kind of really gently run my fingers through. Oh, see, we got a big one right here. You see this? This just looks like straw. Let's use a little bit of this detangling spray and just gently pulling it apart. Yeah, see, like this one does not want to come out with just really gentle detangling. Oh, yeah, here's some fuzz. All right, I'm gonna mix in a little bit of water and add a little bit more. Oops. Okay, so most of the knots are out, so I'm going to dampen this strand of hair. And this is if you want to wear your hair down to restyle, and I'm gonna go through with this comb just to like make sure that everything is, just really gently though, that everything is out. Like, oops, you know I missed some. This is a slow process. It's a little bit time consuming, but I think doing these little detangles in between washes is really helpful. One, for just like overall breakage, you're gonna find that you have much less. And it's also going to save you time like when you shower. Okay, so the reason I soaked that piece of hair is because for me, at least, when I go through and like rake my hair like that, the curl's not gonna come back. So if I soak it, it should be fine. And then you can add a little bit of leave-in conditioner, pearl cream, like whatever you want. I just like to scrunch it a little bit. So really with daily detangling, it's really just about working in small sections and being patient. Don't rip or tug your hair. Go in with your conditioner and water, detangling spray, leave-in conditioner, whatever you want to use. Gently work out the tangle and then go back in and dampen your hair. This is going to save you so much time when you actually get to wash day. Also, you don't have to use a detangling spray. Conditioner and water works just as well, but I actually can't find my regular spray bottle. All I can find right now is this H2O continuous spray bottle, and you don't want to put any product in here. I know a lot of you have bought this off of my recommendation or just seeing me use it because it is an amazing spray bottle, but if you put conditioner in here, it will clog this little mechanism up. Now, of course, even when wash day rolls around, I'm still going to have some tangles because it's just, it happens. This is when I'll really go through and just kind of pull apart all of my curls. And again, do this gently. So I actually don't have any like massive knots that I can't work through right now, but if you find that when you are doing like a full detangling of your hair and you have this like really big knot that you know it's just not going to be pretty to work through it, what I like to do is I like to take some deep conditioner and I like to just place that on the strand so you can just really coat the entire knot and let that sit on your hair for, I don't know, at least like 10 minutes. It's really just going to soften up the knot and allow you to kind of work through it more easily once you get into the shower. Some of my favorite deep conditioners for that are the Diva Curl Melt Into Moisture. Another one that has really good slip that I've been trying recently is the Not Your Mother's Matcha Green Tea and Wild Apple Blossom. It has really great slip, great for detangling. And then also the Tresemme. This is like the silicone free line that they have. And then something else you can do once you're in the shower is a product like Wash Day Wonder. So basically this is a pre-cleanse slip detangler. In my opinion, it's kind of similar to going through with conditioner first. This does have really amazing slip. It allows you to detangle your hair very easily. So you apply this right after you wet your hair as soon as you get in the shower, and you kind of just use a little bit. I can't get over my hair right now. It's just so like frizzy. This is good for days where, like, say you haven't kept up with detangling at all throughout the week and you just like your head is one giant knot. A new product that I just tried, I did mention this on my Instagram story. This is the Shea Moisture Green Coconut and Activated Charcoal Purifying and Hydrating In Shower Styler. This was amazing. So this, you style your hair in the shower, like you literally put this in your hair and then rinse like some of it out, but not all of it. And that's all you have to do. My hair was so smooth and defined. I actually posted the after results on my Instagram story. If you guys aren't following me there, you should. But my hair looked so good the next morning and it did not tangle. When I tell you, like, the entirety of that style, like I kept that for 3 or 4 days before I washed again and I did not have one knot, and this really didn't weigh my hair down either. So I really like this for keeping tangles at bay. I also, the Bella Curl products that I just did an entire first impression on, that style really didn't leave me with any knots either. I will link that video in the cards if you haven't seen it and you want to check it out. I feel like this video was all over the place. I hope that it helped. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.